myself.
I'm gonna cook us some breakfast because it's essential. When you wake up, it's the best part of the meal. Got planned for y'all today a little bit of a scrambled egg because I'm gonna make it quick, easy. Scrambled eggs. You got a big family. What are you gonna make? Sunny side up for everyone? Poached eggs? I don't think so. Scrambled eggs. It's a go-to. It's perfect. So I'm gonna add a little bit of chive and some cheddar to this one. I have a little bit of Portuguese sausage here. I'm gonna just sear that off, get it nice and blackened just a tidbit because that's where the flavor's at. And I'm gonna do a little bit of pan roasted potatoes with a little bit of onion. And then I have a little bit of waffle mix here for you. Right there. I'm gonna do a little bit of waffles with a little bit of butter. I don't have any of your traditional syrup. Unfortunately, I only have blueberry syrup. Oh, darn. So, what I'm gonna go ahead and start off with is with the roasted potatoes, because you all know potatoes take. So, you know, of course, you know, the smaller you dice it, the quicker it'll do. But since I'm cooking here for you, I'm just gonna do a little bit of medium of a dice, because I gotta make this video just a tidbit longer than I usually would. Cutting them down to sizes where I can, you know, easily work with. So the spud here, this is my girlfriend's favorite. This recipe here, honestly, every time I ask her for breakfast, everything she asks for, you can put it in a burrito, you can plate it, whatever. She loves these roasted potatoes. So this to me is a constant in my household. The dogs are lucky, they get some of that as well. Put this on over. I'm gonna get my pan nice and hot. A bit of oil. Nice and hot, get that going. I want to get some nice color on these spuds. You know what I mean? Color's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I'm brown. I'm gonna season with the famous Monty Montana's seasoning. It's beautiful, it's spicy, it's zesty, it's salty, it's everything you could ask for. If you want some, too bad you can't get it in the stores, because that's a secret recipe. Handed down from generation to generation, from Montana to Montana. Kinda.
My other grandpa.
Oh, wrong grandpa. Sorry, other grandpa. Bill's sick.
Bill.
Bill's a badass. Thanks, Bill. So let's see here. I'm gonna throw in a spud just in case. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. We got something. We're working with something now. That's what I like to see. Oh, pupper. Pupper? This is my family. Taz, Who, Crystal, and Jay. This is us.
Serendipity.
Oh my god! How can I forget the kitty? Serendipity the kitty. Here you go, people. Hear this. That's nice. That's real nice. So next, wow. Can a camera person be a camera person? That would be great.
I'm a professional.
I'm gonna do some scrambled eggs there for y'all. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it simple. Simple, easy, Kimble. Anyways, for this, I'm gonna want to put gloves on just because, I mean, if you don't got gloves, that's fine. You're just gonna have to wash your hands a lot more. Oh my god, I just lost some of that egg there. Crack it. Don't attack it like that first one I did. Jesus. Oh, so forceful. Fork? I know you all have one of those. You guys have to, at least, right? Some creme de la creme. Just to make those eggs nice and fluffy. I mean, I know eggs are nice and fluffy, but just like a little extra help, some insurance. What we're gonna do here now is we're just gonna do a little double check on this guy. Don't forget about your potatoes, because then you're gonna have black potatoes, not nice brown potatoes. Look at that. Just gonna give that a little scramble. Scrambled eggs here. Come on. Easy, simple. It's the easiest thing you can do. Still hear that? You still want to keep hearing that. So if you don't hear that, it means it's too low. We're just gonna have soggy potatoes. Nobody likes that. Crystal has about 1.5 pounds of this. I can't even tell you how much it's going for. Which I can tell you where it's hidden too, but this shit fire. Made. Oh, sorry. Right now I'm just gonna plug in my awesome waffle maker here. This thing was a gift from my best friends, Alex and Nick. Thank you so much. Fire present. Even a home cook can feel like a real chef when you have stuff like this. Even though it's tiny, once you see the finished product, you're like, whoa, what is going on? See, look at that. You can really smell Bill right now. That Bill seasoning. No, sorry. You smell your grandpa, Crystal? He smells fire. Honestly, since we've been quarantined these last couple days, it's actually been, I mean, it really sucks, but it's been actually pretty awesome because I get to hang out with my beautiful girlfriend because she actually works from home now. And I get to hang out with my new dog, Taz, which is a new pupper. Oh my god, he's like 11 weeks now. He's a handful, but I mean, what pupper isn't? And then we got the one barking in the background, which he is almost gonna be 8, and he is still a handful. I wish Serendipity would come down. That's our kitty poo. She's a little anxious right now. I'm probably gonna season just a little bit more because, like I said, I like to do a little bit of a blackened potato because it's like a little bit of Cajun kind of seasoning, as you can see. So why not? Don't be afraid of flavor, like I said. I think that guy's ooh, he's ready. I got my waffle mix. Honestly, you can use Bisquick at Jemima. I don't even know what they make out there.
Jemima is a syrup.
Whatever. I don't know if she makes waffle syrup stuff. I'm just gonna. Oh my god.
Ooh la la.
Oh. And just seal it with love. Love's messy. Cooking's messy. But when you work at it, it's a beautiful thing. I'm a little bit of a mess here, but like I said, it's okay. No worries. Ooh, shouldn't be wasting this. We're about to use this for toilet paper.
Stop.
Oh, I mean, sorry. I'm gonna cut the chives, like I said, for the dance. I'm gonna keep them just a little bit big so you can actually see them. Ooh, take it easy. I don't want to rush things. Potatoes, that's what you're banking on right now. This is your timeline. This is your guide. How much time you got? So I'm gonna throw in my onions because people like that crisp. Onionness. Sorry, I'm not a giant fan of onions, but like I said, these are my babe's potatoes, so I gotta get down on this. So I'm just throwing a little bit more oil just to get those onions a little bit more crispy. So I'm pouring this waffle. Oh my god, look at these. These are so good. Man, look at these. This came out so good. Thanks, Nick. Thanks, Alex. Thanks, Rabotat. Thanks, everybody contributing to this whole thing. I mean, I know this whole thing's just a crazy mess, but I mean, it's really awesome people can get together, still get things done. So I got my Portuguese here. Got my pan. Ooh, sizzle. Sizzle. So we scrambled those earlier. Never mind that workout. These eggs move in. I mean, you want brown eggs. You know, I mean, you want some nice fluffy eggs. That's why you add the cream in there, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat on these Portuguese because I'm pretty sure those are gonna be nice and crispy on the other side as well. Everything off, rocking and rolling. I'm gonna plate up. I'm gonna plate the F up. So if you want to follow me here. You know what? Before I forget, doing that little dash I just wanted to throw this right at the end because we don't want to torture the green onion too much. Nice Cajun potatoes with some onion, seasoned with Bill seasonings. Up next, some of this Portuguese quarantine cooking. Sign me up, honestly. Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw in some of that huevo, some eggs for the people that don't know French. This is the special one. This is the icing on that cake. Throw in 2 of those bad boys right there. Gonna throw in some of this butter. Oh my. And maybe a little bit of this blueberry syrup that I was telling you guys about earlier. That. And then I slaved over some of this whipped topping. It hurt. It hurt, people. It's more working out, I'm telling you. Throw a little bit up on that. Look at that. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off. A little powdered. And then, I mean, just the health conscious guy in me. Just gonna top that off with an orange. And there you go. Oh, you don't go. You always gotta throw cheese on everything, baby. And that's breakfast. From our house to your house, to Rabotat's house, to Europe's house. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I'm about to enjoy. So, catch me next time. I'm about to tear it up some more. Thanks, guys.